Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's DIY cute butterfly wall decoration.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. So much, oh baby, I miss you. Every second, every minute, it's true. I long for the warmth of your embrace, wishing I could see your face. Days go by, and I'm counting down until I can see you, until you're around. Your laughter, your smile, your gentle sighs, they're all I crave in my sweetest highs. Every text, every call, it's not the same as holding you close, whispering your name. I try to fill the void, but it's no use. Without you here, I'm just singing the blues.